Hello and welcome to Mathlete Minds once again. We believe in the power of mathematics as it is full of excitement and has endless possibilities. As we continue our journey of quadratic equations, today we'll be focusing on the quadratic formula, which is most appropriately defined as the magical elixir for solving a quadratic equation. Now let's see what this formula is all about and how do we obtain this formula. Now, this is the general representation of the quadratic equation, and the solution with the help of this quadratic formula is defined as minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So let's check up as to how we get this formula first of all. So we get back to this equation and divide both the sides of the equation by small a. So we get here b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. Now why are we doing all this? We want to put it in the format of a plus b the whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So next step that we do over here is shift the c by a term to the right hand side. So we get here minus c by a. Now in the next step, we are going to add here a term that is equal to half the coefficient of x the whole square. So coefficient of x is b by a, the whole square of that. And since we are adding it to the left hand side, we need to add it to the right hand side also, so that we do not change the equation. Now the left hand side, again, we have got here the b term, but we don't have the middle term 2ab term as yet. So to get that, we'll multiply this by 2 and simultaneously divide it by 2. And this becomes b squared by 4a squared is equal to minus c by a plus b squared by 4a squared. So here this is a complete perfect square. This is a term, this a square term, this is the 2ab term, and this is the b square term. So this can be written as x plus b by 2a the whole square is equal to minus c. Take the LCM over here. So this becomes minus 4ac plus b squared by 4a squared. So now to get back to the formula, on the left hand side we are getting x plus b by 2a the whole square. On the right hand side we get b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So now taking the square root, we'll get here x plus b by 2a is equal to plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Shifting b by 2a to the right hand side, we get here minus b by 2a plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Taking the LCM once again, we'll get x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the formula that we need, and this is what we are going to use. Now b squared minus 4ac is called the determinant because it decides as to what sort of roots we'll get for the particular solution. Real roots or unreal roots, or real roots or equal roots. We'll come to that later on. Now let's take up a simple question based on this. So we have here 9x squared plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 9, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 2. So first we'll find out the value of b squared minus 4ac. So this is equal to 49 minus 4 into 9 into minus 2. So this becomes 49 plus this is 36, and 36 into 2 is 72. So this gives us 11 and this is 121. Now let us get back to the solution. X is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So this becomes minus b is minus 7 plus minus under root 121 by 2 into 9. 2 into 9. So the solutions will be minus 7 plus minus 11 by 18. So if we take the positive sign over here, we'll get here plus 4 by 18, that is 2 by 9. And if we take the negative sign over here, we'll get here minus 18 by 18, that is minus 1. So one solution will be 2 by 9 and the other solution will be minus 1. Now here again, we have the middle term as the irrational quantity, that is b is 5 root 3. A is 2, b is 5 root 3, and c is equal to 6. So first we'll find out b squared minus 4ac. So b squared is 575 minus 4ac, that is 4 into 2 into 6. That is 75 minus this is 48. So this will give us 27. Now coming back to the solution, minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b is minus 5 root 3 plus minus, now 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. And if we take the square root of 27, this will be 3 root 3. So this can be written over here as 3 root 3 by 2 into 2, that is 4. Now if we take the plus sign over here, we get here minus 5 root 3 plus 3 root 3 by 4. So that is minus 2 root 3 by 4, that is minus root 3 by 2. If we take the negative sign, it will become equal to minus 8 root 3 by 4, that is minus 2 root 3. So one solution is minus root 3 by 2, other solution is minus 2 root 3. Now in this particular equation, it's not given in the standard form. So first we'll convert this into the standard form. So this will become x plus 5 minus x plus 3 divided by x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 6. So this gets cancelled. We are left with 8. X squared plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 6. So 48 is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 15, or x squared plus 2x minus 63 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic. So value of b squared minus 4ac will be 4 minus 4 into 1 into minus 63. So this becomes 4 minus 12, and this is 252. This will become plus because this is a minus sign. So this becomes 256. So now x is equal to minus b. b is 2, that is minus 2 plus minus under root 256 by 2 into 1, that is 2. So minus 2, if we take the positive sign, this will become 16 by 2. And the other solution will be minus 2 minus 16 by 2. So 16 is the square root of 256. So from here we get 14 by 2, that is 7. And from here we get the solution as minus 9. So these are the two solutions. Now here if we take this particular question, in the question already the a, small a and small b is present. So what we need to do is the general format, we can write the capital A, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so that we avoid all confusion. So here the coefficient of x squared, a, is written as 9, b is equal to minus 9 into a plus b, and c is equal to 2a squared plus 5ab plus 2b squared. Now first of all we'll find the value of b squared minus 4ac. So b squared minus 4ac will be minus 9 into a plus b the whole square minus 4 into 9 into 2a squared plus 5ab plus 2b squared. So this becomes 81 into a plus b the whole square minus 36 into 2a squared plus 5ab plus 2b squared. Now from both these terms we can take out 9 common. So we can write this as a plus b the whole square. 9 into a plus b the whole square minus 4 into 2a squared plus 5ab plus 2b squared. So again this will become 9 into a squared, 9a squared plus 9b squared plus 18ab. I've written this in the form of a plus b the whole square. This will become minus 8a squared minus 20ab minus 8b squared. So this becomes 9a squared, this is a squared, this will be b squared and minus 2ab after simplification. So this can be written as 9 into a minus b the whole square. So b squared minus 4ac is equal to this. So the solution is given by minus b over here plus minus I'm taking the capitals, b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So this becomes equal to minus b. That is, b is minus 9 into a plus b. So it becomes 9 into a plus b. Plus minus b squared minus 4ac, we got us 9 into a minus b the whole square under root by 2 into 9, that is 18. So in order to get the solution over here, we are getting here 9 into a plus b plus minus 9 into a minus b. Sorry, this will become 3 into a minus b by 2 into 9, that is 18. So if we take the positive sign, it will be 9a plus 9b plus 3a minus 3b. So this becomes 12a plus 6b by 18. That is equal to, if we take out 6 common, 2a plus b by 3. And if we take the negative sign, it will be 9a plus 9b minus 3a plus 3b by 18. So this becomes 6a plus 12b by 18. So this becomes equal to a plus 2b by 3. So the two solutions were obtained that way. Here again we find that a is ab, b is equal to b square minus ac, and c is equal to minus bc. So in this case again, if we find b squared minus 4ac, we'll get here b squared minus ac the whole square minus 4 into ab into c, that is minus bc. So this becomes b4 plus a square c square minus 2b square ac plus 4ab square c. So this can be written as b4 plus a square c square plus 2ab square c. And here we can easily simplify this and write as b square plus ac the whole square. So this is the b square minus 4ac value. Now getting back to the solution, x will be equal to minus b. That is minus into b square minus ac. Plus minus, we get over here under root b square plus ac the whole square by 2ab. So on simplification, we'll get here minus b square plus ac plus minus b square plus ac by 2a. If we take the positive sign, in that case, x will be equal to AC will get cancelled. B square will get cancelled. We'll be left with 2ac by 2a, 2ab, 2ac by 2ab. So that will give us c upon b, one solution. If we take the negative sign, in that case, we'll get over here minus 2b squared. X will be equal to minus 2b squared by 2ab. That is equal to 2 will get cancelled. We are left with minus b upon a. So one solution is c by b, one solution is minus b by a. So with that, we come to the end of this video. Hope you liked the explanation. We value your input, so please feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and share your thoughts with us. As I say thank you, I would also like to remind you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.